Hello traders, here we are. And in our video today, we're going to be basically looking at how you can create your Forex trading account. I've happened to get lots of concerns when so many of you come and ask me, we are stuck here. We have been creating our Forex trading account and we are stuck. So it's the main reason as to why I've come. How do you create your Forex trading account? We're going to be a bit precise here in our trading. So I urge you guys that in the process of creating this account, whether you have created it before, whether it's your first time, or whether you have it, make sure that at least you learn something, because I believe there is something new that at all levels, all traders will at a certain point learn something new from this particular video. So if you haven't subscribed onto our channel, please do, such that you enjoy the content that we happen to release. You can also go onto other social media platforms of ours: Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn. Just type in FXKampala, you find such amazing content. I will not waste a lot of time. I'll get directly. However, before you create your account, make sure you have the proof of ID, that is the national ID, that is valid. If not, have a passport. If not, a driver's license. Those are the only documents we can use as proof of identity. Then make sure you have a valid email. 2, make sure you have a phone number that is also valid. And of course, once you have this, then it's going to be easier for you. First things first, the other thing that you need to also have is our link. Okay, I'm going to show you where you can get our link. It can either be below this particular video, or you can just go to Google, as you can see on our screen. Just click on Google. Okay, click on Google. When you click on Google, go to FXKampala website. That is www.fxkampala.com, as you see on my phone. Okay, click. Once you click there, come here where there is menu, right? And once you click there, come to brokers, because we have already, gotten this easier for you on our website. Then click here, HFM. Once you click, the registration can begin. Okay, you simply just come to registration and, of course, register, right? If not, if you can't find it there, you can just go to our TikTok account, that is FXKampala. Then click on the link here. If not, when you click here, you'll see an HFM link as well. Click there to create your account. Or you check below this particular video. Then, of course, once you click there, if it's a website, you click HFM, as we saw, then it brings you to the registration. As you see, they were circled. Brings you here, you wait to verify if it's a human. You tick here, that is all you have to do. When you tick, it brings you now to the process to begin your registration. So make sure, remember in the beginning, initially, I told you to have the email address that is valid. So put it here. Most people can prefer to put a phone number. It is okay, but I prioritize, or I prefer rather, to put your email address that is valid. Then create your password for this account. So it means that every time, you want to access your account, HFM accounts, I'm being specific, HFM account, you not the next time come to register, but rather will come to log in. And the logins you use will be your email simply and your password. So for now, we are just creating our account. So click continue. They'll send an email code. So please go and get that code and put it here. Click continue. Then once you click continue, your account is ready. Now, let's begin the actual process of approving, registering, creating trading accounts, and a lot more. I urge that you pause, you do whatsoever you do. You pause, you do whatsoever that we do. So let's begin. Put your names as they are on your national ID, same arrangement. Put your phone number, date of birth. Select the account type you want. If you want your account to be euros, do euros. If you USD, make sure you choose USD. Put, just rather, select, tick all these, and then click continue. Once you click continue, they will need to verify your phone number. So put your phone number again, and then send an SMS. So get the SMS and whatsoever, or any OTP that you've chosen, put it there, put it here. Then let's begin the actual registration. And then once we complete, then we upload the document and then further. So put your address. So if you stay in Nadia Nankumbi, make sure you put Kampala Machindye na Jana Nkumbi, right? So this is the address. Put it here, all of it. This is optional. Don't put anything. Put Kampala as your town. Optional. Zip code, make sure I put 256. Most of you actually ask me for the zip code. So it's 256. Country of residence, Uganda. Gender, put it there. Country of birth, Uganda, put it there. Estimated net worth, choose amongst the net worth, especially the first one. Education, choose your education level. Then source of funds, choose whether it's job, whether savings, gift, whatever. Then how did you get to hear about us? Select. If possible, put FXKampala. Employment status, please also select. Then beginner, and then continue. Once you click continue, then we shall begin with the verification process. So the system automatically brings you here for you to now start the verification process. Okay? And for you to begin the verification process, you click start the verification. You have to be ready with your national ID. Click I confirm, blah, blah. Then select the document, ID, passport, or driver's license, like I initially told you. Click continue. I clicked ID, upload the front, make sure the details that are there, they are clear, no reflection, all edges reflecting, the back part and the front part. And then you also need to know that, or to make sure rather, that it is valid. Okay? Then upload. Once you're finished with the upload, then we can begin with creating our MT5 trading account. Reason being, we don't trade here. So we will have to download MT5. And in that MT5, as we shall see, we'll then have to, create an MT5 trading account. These ones can create 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, depending on each purpose of an individual account that you've created, whether school fees, solo gamba. The one is, you can say, this is for school fees, this is for savings, this is blah, blah, blah. So you can have several of them. And I'm going to start with that, show you how you can create that, and then how you can link it to your MT5 trading account, because we'll always be trading on MT5. So once you upload and here it shows upload, then your account is okay and easier. So we're going to come here to start creating our MT5 trading account. Come where there is create trading accounts. It will bring various options, open. So I'm going to click open live account. Then to open a live account, they'll bring various of them. I'll choose premium and then select. Once I select, I choose whether MT5 or MT4. We choose MT5. Leverage, I select leverage. I give it a specific name. I create a password for it. So it means that each account has a password for it. Besides the one you created for the broker, okay, HFM, now you have to create the one for the individual account, right? So each account has a login, password, and server. So you have to make sure that each has. So the password is what you're creating. And once you create it, they will also create it here. They also ask for the introducing ID. That's where you provide this number, 348857. That is for FXKampala. Make sure I don't miss out on it. Click add. Then once you add, you're attached now to FXKampala, and you're free now to contact us for us to help you through the entire process. So once you're done there, click open account, and then blah, you've created your trading account. So usually your trading account has a login, password, and server. But then before I take you to download, right? Download the MT5. Let's first deposit such that by the time we get to MT5, we linked it, even money is there. So you just come to deposit here, click here, deposit. And then once you click deposit, it will bring various deposit systems, right? Or gateways, the ones we will also be using for withdrawals and so on and forth. JP Morgan Bank Transfer International, mobile money is what I recommend, instant and convenient. So cryptos for lots of money. So for Uganda, crypto and mobile money is what I recommend. So once you're done, then go download your MT5 either from App Store or Play Store. Download MT5. Once you download MT5, it will be like this. When you reach here, come where there is new account. Under new account, click where there is find a broker or search for a broker. Put HFM here. When you click put HFM there, it will bring various HFM, servers. So you choose the one that has HFM Markets SV Limited. Okay? Once you do that, put in the login, the password, and the server of any account that you've given, and then you automatically then can start trading. It becomes simple, easier, and safe. So I've showed you how you can create your account, how you can create MT5 trading account, how you can deposit, how you can withdraw, how you can link your trading account. So one video, all 5 things in one video. I think that's quite enough. However, I'll put my contact in the video in any case you find challenges, you're stuck at a certain point, provided you have used our link as I showed you initially, then don't please hesitate to contact us. Contact us, we help you through and then begin the process of trading. Thank you so much. Otherwise, I'll not waste a lot of our time. Bye-bye.